everybody, welcome back to Leetcode Simplified. I'm Alan, and today we will be tackling Leetcode 203, remove linked list elements. Given the head of a linked list, remove all the nodes whose values equal target. Return the new head. The core logic here is simple. When we are at a node before the target, we skip the target by pointing the next pointer to the node after the target. And a special case happens if head equals the target. A simple solution is to use a dummy node before the head so that we always have a node before the head. Let's walk through step by step in Python and visualize it on the diagram how we can rewire the linked list to implement this logic. First, create a dummy list node. Create two pointers called dummy and cur pointing to this dummy node. Pointer dummy doesn't move. Pointer cur actually traverses the list. Connect this dummy node to the given head node of the linked list. Now, cur traverses the linked list and look ahead with cur next. As long as it's not none, do. If the next node is not the target, simply advance cur. The next node is not the target, advance cur. If the next node is the target, then point curve next to the node after the target. Curve next value is 3, not the target, advance curve. Curve next value is now 4, not the target, advance curve. Curve next value is now 5, not the target, advance curve. Curve next value is now 6, the target. Point curve next to the node after the target. Now, curve next is none. Curve currently is at the end of the linked list. Return dummy next as the new head of the linked list. 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. Special case when head equals the target 6. With this setup, luckily we always have a dummy node before the head. Then if heads need to be removed, just point curve next to the node after head. Everything else is the same. Next node, not target, advance. Next node, target, skip. Next node, target, advance. Next node, target, advance. Next node is none. Return dummy next. And there you have it. Remove linked list elements using dummy node to handling special case. Alright, it's time to smart the submit button. Boom! Accepted. The time complexity is linear, big O of n, since we traverse each node once. Space complexity is constant, big O of 1, since we only create a dummy node with two pointers, dummy and curve. That's it for today. If it's helped, please subscribe and check out the playlist for more step-by-step tutorial like this one. I'm Alan, and this was Leetcode Simplified. See you next time.